The older I got used to having a bad knee, and I did what I had to do to work, to climb a ladder, to run saws. I was always accommodating for my knee, and I really didn't know it. And what really precipitated a change was when my niece said something about me limping. And I said, well, I don't limp. She said, you always limp. And that was kind of it. I had talked to my orthopedic surgeon, Lou Giovanni, and he said, Kevin, I've been bugging you for 20 years to get this knee done. You have to get it done. And there was just a turning point in my life. I realized I was 66 years old, and there was so much more I wanted to do. 3 weeks later, I found myself in the hospital for a total knee replacement. I had incredible care. The people on the 6th floor they knew what they were doing, they knew what I was going through, and they were all over me. They get you right out of the bed that day, and I remember swinging my leg off the bed and feeling my knee. It felt so wonderful, it's almost hard to describe. I left the hospital, came home, I walked every day for months, and within 4 months I was back hiking, and I climbed a 3,000-foot peak in the Catskills on the 4th month after my surgery. And about 14 months after my operation, I did a 14,000-foot peak in Colorado. And it was one of the high points of my life.